In this video, I will show you on how to reduce the video file size without losing the quality of the video using your VLC media player without any stress or for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and open up your VLC media player. I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard. Now we have our VLC media player right here. So this particular video right here, I'm going to use it in this tutorial. So this video right here, so you can see the original file size for this video is 18.1 megabytes. And let's play the quality of the video. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Palette app. So you can see the quality of the video is higher resolution. Then I'm going to go ahead now and compress the video file size, and then we are still going to test the quality and see the great result of converting or compressing your video file in VLC media player. So I'm going to close up this tab right here. The next thing we want to do here, I'm going to minimize this file, and then I'm going to go ahead and come to the media file section on my VLC. Then I'm going to go ahead and make sure I'm not going to convert or save, and this file here is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to add the video file right here. For that, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here, and this window here is going to pump up. Then from here, you can select the video file. Like I said, I'm going to use this particular video title right here, Alipay Account Report Center. Go ahead and click on open. Then having had the file, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on save, convert. This is going to pump up right here. Then here you have to choose the video file. Then come down here, click on here, and make sure you choose video/h.264 plus mp3 and mp4 in bracket. Select on that. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon right here, and this is going to pump up right here. So by default, you have the video to be mp4 right here, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to video code. Under the video code right here, under the code, click on mp4 right here. You can choose any other format right here. But as for me, I'm going to choose mp4 right here. And having select mp4, your bitrate right here should be something like about 1000 or 1000 to 3000 as the case may be. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and navigate to resolution right here. Leave it in auto, then filter. If you want to add some filter to the video, you can choose different options right here. But as for me, I'm going to leave out the filter. Go ahead and navigate to audio code. Under the audio code right here, select here and choose any other file format. As for me, I'm going to leave it in MP3. So click on that. Then here, the bitrate right here is 128. You can leave it that way. Then the channel is this. Then come to the sample rate right here and make sure you choose the lower version of sample rate, which is 8000 right here. Then you are done. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on save. And then next thing you want to do right here is to choose destination file. And for that, go ahead and click on browse right here. So right here, I'm going to make this as second. Okay, that will give us an indication that it on save. Next thing we want to do is to come down below right there, click on start, and in a few seconds you can see it started to compress the video file right here. Once it's done completely, we can check on the size and likewise the quality of the video after compression and before. Just like so. After a successful compression of the file, let's see before and after the compression, the size and the quality of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and bring out the folder right here. So I have the folder right here. So you can see this is before, which gives us about 18.1, and this is after, which is now giving us about 8.23 megabytes. You can see a drastic reduction right here.